If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering why in some cases you cannot delete the account in your charts of accounts. So let's look at a scenario. Let's edit the first one. And you can see here there's no button to delete or merge. NetSuite does not allow you to delete accounts that have transactions associated with it. So when the account has been using transactions, you cannot delete it. You might consider making it inactive instead. This effectively removes it from active use, but retains it for historical data. The way to mark as inactive is in the far left column, you click inactive, and then you click submit here to save it. And if there's an account inactive you want to mark as active, you do the same. You click here, and then you submit it. So now I'll show you how to delete an account. If you like this video, please give it a like. So you can see in the column here, it tells you when you can delete it or not. So one way to delete would be to click here, the same way as inactive, but just in the next column, the other one, and then click submit. Or the other way is to edit it, go to actions, and then you can delete or merge it. That's it. Subscribe to this channel, follow, go to the website to see all the next tutorials and keep yourself updated. Bye bye.